Scene: a person frantically searching for their phone, looking frustrated and stressed. Narrator: ever found yourself in a situation where you desperately need to contact your bank, but can't remember the phone number? It's a common occurrence, especially when you're in a hurry or under pressure. Hook. Narrator: today, we're going to solve that problem for you. Specifically, we're going to find the phone number for Relay Bank. Building context. Narrator: before we dive into the details, let's take a moment to understand why it's important to have your bank's phone number readily available. Scene: quick cuts of various scenarios where someone might need to call their bank. A customer disputing a fraudulent charge. A person inquiring about their account balance. A business owner seeking assistance with a large transaction. Narrator: as you can see, having your bank's phone number can be crucial in a variety of situations. It's a valuable piece of information to have on hand. Finding the phone number. Narrator: now, let's get to the main event, finding the Relay Bank phone number. There are a few ways to do this. Method 1. Relay Bank's website. Narrator: the most straightforward method is to visit Relay Bank's official website. Simply search for Relay Bank in your preferred search engine and click on the first result. Scene: a person navigating to the Relay Bank website. Narrator: once you're on the website, look for a Contact Us or Customer Service section. This is usually located in the top right or bottom of the page. Scene: a close-up of the Contact Us section on the Relay Bank website. Narrator: click on the Contact Us link, and you should find the phone number listed prominently on the page. Method 2. Relay Bank's mobile app. Narrator: if you have the Relay Bank mobile app installed on your phone, you can also find the phone number there. Scene: a person opening the Relay Bank mobile app. Narrator: typically, the phone number will be located in the Help or Contact Us section of the app. Scene: a close-up of the Help section in the Relay Bank mobile app. Method 3. Relay Bank social media. Narrator: another option is to check Relay Bank's social media profiles. Many banks provide their phone number on their social media pages. Scene: a person searching for Relay Bank on social media. Narrator: search for Relay Bank on platforms like Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. Look for the Contact or Help section of their profile. Additional tips. Narrator: here are a few additional tips to keep in mind. Save the phone number. Once you find the number, save it in your phone's contacts for easy access. Consider using a bank locator. If you're not sure of the specific Relay Bank branch you want to contact, you can use their bank locator tool to find the nearest branch and its phone number. Be prepared. When you call Relay Bank, be prepared to provide your account information and a brief explanation of why you're calling. Conclusion. Narrator: and there you have it. We've successfully found the phone number for Relay Bank. Remember, having this information readily available can save you time and frustration in the future. Scene: a person triumphantly holding their phone, having found the Relay Bank phone number. Narrator: with that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.